Hey yo, let's go, shall we? So last time I was kinda stuck at this boss thingy downstairs. Alright, you. Ugh. No. I had to remember to pull up the elevator every time I go down. Oh no! Why am I having so much trouble against this one stupid enemy? He shouldn't even be hard. I killed the boss version of the same monster before. Alright, here we go again. Me. I have an idea. Maybe I should try parrying him. Ow. No! I think I know how to defeat him. He can't fit through here. Oh, come on. Haha. Oh! No! Okay, guys. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. He's too fat to fit through the door. Yeah! Take that! Only took me like 20 tries. Well, here goes nothing. Yikes. Oh! Oh!
How do you move? You like the jumping attack, right? Okay, that's fine. Ow! Okay. I don't like your charging attack. He's kinda erratic. Okay. Ow! Okay, the two swipe, I can poke him. Oh, come on. Don't die here. No! Two swipe. Okay, my stamina is like total shit. Come on. That move never hit me. Oh, bad. Okay. I have more life, Jim. Oh no, I wasn't looking at the screen. Okay. That was risky. Ow. Use one more. Okay. Ow. That's so many life, Jim. Come on. No. Whew. That was easy. Why is this so much easier than the random dude in the sewer?
I want to go back to things betwixt and use a fragrant branch of yore to free that one guy that's stuck. Oh, yes. Revenge time. I just remembered. The troll at the beginning.
Time for you to die. Ha! 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 Stone ring.
Here. No, I don't like this. I do not like this at all. Oh, man. Oh, shit. This is... No, run. What are you doing? Holy shoot. Okay. Okay. You know what? You guys are jerks. So I'm just gonna do this. You don't deserve the good arrow. Or S's fast shard. That was really worth it. No! Why did you die? No! What is this? What? Wait. The nature of my being has changed. I'm a woman now. Here, eat this. Is it just me or does that look like a face and then you feed them something in their mouths and then... Did I hit it? Yeah, I hit it. Belfry Luna. Yeah, that's... Yeah, I remember this place. Oh, this place is famous. That's where the gargoyles are. Dark Spirit ahead. Alright, Dark Spirit, come on. Okay, before I go further... Oh my god. Oh, shoot. Dark Spirit, Dark Spirit. My way back is blocked by fog wall. Okay, alright, where are you? Hey, you. Is that a princess? Is that who these guys are protecting? Are you gonna do anything? Wait, that's the real player, aren't they? Oh, is it like different person every time? Oh, are those real people? I can't tell. Ow. Ow. Yeah, those are definitely real people. Okay. Oh, dude, you need to go outside more often. I don't think sitting here with all those dead bodies is good for your mental health. Yeah, that's a pile of dead dwarf, isn't it? Shoot. Above, vision of a bug. Okay. Oh! Hey, you! Ow. Okay, didn't mean to do that. I need to use a human effigy soon. My health is down quite a bit. Skeptic Spice. Okay, let me guess. This one says tongue butthole. Yeah. Bellkeeper bow. Oh, shit, shit. Where do you came from? Die. Thank you. That's a Resident Evil 4 reference, if you didn't catch it. Alright, here goes nothing. You. Why can't I lock on? Ow, 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 ow. Bad time for a heal. No, 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 no. Okay. Run, 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 run. Bad timing. That's terrible. Okay. Run, 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 run. Get away, get away, get away. Drink. Okay. That's one down out of how many? 4, I think. No. Oh shit! Don't panic. Do not panic. Whatever I do not panic. I have so many Estus. Come on. Holy shit, how many of them are here? I thought there's only 4, but like, I killed one, and now there's like, what, 4 in the field? So at least there should be like... Oh my god, run, 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 run. This is bad. Poke, run, run. Oh my god, run, 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 run. This is really bad. Heal, run, 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 run. Oh. Run. Poke. I'm being cornered. Run. Get the hell out of here. I can't see what's happening, but... No! Oh, you bastard. Are you gonna do anything? They're just gonna stay back? Oh man, why are they all throwing flame? Run. Run. I'm being surrounded. This is bad. Hey, you're 1 health. Have an idea. Oh, come on. Well, if they're all throwing a flame like this, I really can't... I really can't get any of them. Come on, do some melee attack, please. This is really annoying. Okay, I have an idea. I don't have... Oh, I didn't equip my arrow. God damn it. Okay. You done fucked up. There. That's 1 down out of how many? 5? You fucked up too. Okay, just 2 more. Is this it? I hope this is it. You fuck up 3. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Last one. I have a hunch I'm way over level for this content. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow, actually I have a better idea. This is a perfect location for our Onai Halber. Oh my god, I get staggered so easily. Kill them, come on. Okay. That's all the dogs. Well, some of the dogs. Come on, come up here. Oh shoot, 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 shoot. Run, 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 run. Haha. No, that's bad. And that guy's drinking Estus. Great. Holy shit. No, 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 no. I'm not dying here. I'm not dying here. Okay, now I can use my sword. Come on, dog. Come on, come up here. Okay, you're coming up. That's fine. I just want to kill the dog. Alright, come on, come on. I'm ready for you. Hahaha. That's what you get, you little bitch. Ow. No! You cheating bastard. Oh. Okay, the last thing I want to do for this episode is really just to free the petrified guy. Okay, you. You're free. I guess, like, is this how you time travel in this universe? Just get petrified and hope someone will wake you up? Alright guys, I think this is it for this part, so I'll see you on the next part. Thank you for watching.